2005 GMC Denali 6.0 liter V8. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory, which they all should be. Then we put a MagnaFlow style muffler, basically a MagnaFlow, but from China. But it's okay, it sounds good too. With a built-in X pipe inside of it. And then we continued the 2 1/4 all the way back into 3-inch tips. He didn't want them too big. So we put up 3-inch angled tips there and there. And that's what it looks like. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. It's not going to be too loud, it'll sound nice. True dual. Sounds pretty good. GMC Sierra. Here's the sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Whoa. Again. About 96. Sounds good. Nice and deep. Got the tips nice and tucked up for you guys. And with these mufflers, it's not too much drone. GMC Denali Sierra 6.0. See the Sierra? GMC. Got some 24s on it too. Very nice wheel. 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Beautiful truck. Still got factory converters there, some big boys. Then it's got a massive third converter. It's got shorty headers. If you guys can see them up there, somebody else installed them. So this should sound a little bit better. And then it's got 3.5-inch pipe all the way. And we put 2 Dynamax bullets back to back, 3.5-inch each. And then a 3-inch pipe out the back into 3.5-inch tailpipe. It's gonna sound absolutely massive. Beautiful truck. There's that big muffler that we cut off. We don't like mufflers here. We always like to cut them off and make it loud. Let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy's. What size motor? 6.0. 6.0. HD 2500. That's perfect. That's a new design. I like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Again? Oh yeah, that's nice. Sound decibels. Go ahead. About 96, 98, that's perfect. Yeah. That's right where you want it. Oh, you hear it, dub, 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 dub. I like it. I'm glad we went with the double, not the single. If you guys want the link to the Dynamax bullets, they'll be in the description. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. 2021 GMC Sierra with a Vortex Max 6.0 liter engine. That's gonna sound phenomenal. We put two high flow catalytic converters on it, one there, one there. Then it was true dualed before by somebody else and had Flowmaster 40s on it with turn downs. And we said, sounds like, you know, doo-doo. I don't want to say the bad word. So we took it off and replaced it with 3-inch in, 3-inch out Flowmaster Super 10s with 3-inch turn downs instead of this 2 1/4 crap that looks like crap. We can't take that. We like it beautiful. And that absolutely looks beautiful. If you guys agree, subscribe and hit that like button. This is gonna sound phenomenal too. So there's the high flow cats. There and there. And the Super 10s there with turn downs. Beast mode initiated. Those Super 10s right here. Here's the part number 843016. If you guys want to purchase them, there'll be a link in the description form. Again, that's for the Super 10s. Sound decibels, go ahead. Oh, 110. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here's a 6.0 motor. It's got shorty headers on it. Cold air intake, Spectra. Came out really nice. Give a guess. You guys can really hear. There's the headers. Really nice, really nicely done. Really beautiful truck. Really clean. There it is. Hope you guys like it. Nice set of wheels, just clean all the way around. GMC all-terrain, beautiful truck. I don't know what we're gonna do to it yet. The 15 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain edition. Got a lift kit, nice mud tires on it, all-terrains. What's got on it? It's still got the stock converters there and there, and then a third one there. And then what we did on it is we put a 2.5-inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes, wide pipe setup right there. There's the tailpipes. Cut tips out the back. Right there, right there. That's how you get them dualed out. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Black tips, you tuck them up. You tuck them up all the time, makes it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. All you see is the tip, no pipe. So really clean design. Let you guys hear it on the inside. ...2003 Chevy 2500 HD. Got the 6.0 liter V8 in it. It's got stock converters. And then we true dual it with 2.5 all the way back into 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. True dual all the way back. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. That's why you always want a true dual. Much better.